I just got a package from Selena's Little Country Home. I think that's right. I want to do this before we get hit with storms. I should have scissors to do this. That works. Cool. Boxes everywhere. So I like baskets, and I saw this and I already have an idea for it, but I won't. That's for another day. I don't have what I need for it yet. And saw the little birdhouse lamp, and I'm kind of into birds right now too. And I needed a lamp, so I have plans to fix this up as well. But I don't have everything for that either, so another video for another day.